Ringstone Rink Case C1. The Ringstone Rink Case C1 is a one-of-a-kind smartphone case that takes customization to the next level with its built-in color e-ink screen. Designed in Japan, it is the first case in the world to feature a 4C color e-ink display, giving your phone a stylish and futuristic twist. What makes it even cooler is that you don't have to charge it separately. The case uses NFC technology to get both power and data directly from your phone. That means no extra cables, no extra batteries, just a simple and smart design that works seamlessly. The e-ink screen can be used to show wallpapers, notes, or even quick notifications, all while consuming very little energy compared to a normal screen. This makes it both practical and fun, letting you personalize your phone in ways you've never experienced before. Priced at around $79, the Ringstone Rank Case C1 is affordable for the kind of innovation it offers. Whether you love trying out new gadgets, want a unique accessory, or just enjoy having something different, this case is an exciting addition to any smartphone. It's a perfect mix of creativity, technology, and everyday convenience. Lido Walkie-Talkie. The Lido Walkie-Talkie is a modern upgrade to traditional two-way radios designed by a team from Hong Kong that raised over $320,000 through its campaign. This portable device is built to keep people connected even in remote areas, offering an incredible communication range of up to 58 kilometers. Unlike standard walkie-talkies, Lido combines long-distance performance with a sleek, user-friendly design that makes it perfect for outdoor adventures, road trips, hiking, or camping. It's powered by a durable battery that lasts up to 16 hours on a single charge, ensuring that you can rely on it for a full day of use without interruption. What makes Lido even more unique is its innovative touch ring control, replacing complicated buttons with a simple, modern way to manage communication. Luxolor 42ST. The Luxolor 42ST is a beautiful 42-foot yacht designed for comfort, style, and adventure on the open water. Crafted from premium aluminum, it is both lightweight and strong, making it easy to handle while remaining durable for long trips. At nearly 13 meters long and over 5 meters wide, the yacht offers plenty of space for relaxing, entertaining, and exploring, whether you're with family, friends, or fellow adventurers. Its twin Mercury Verado 600 horsepower engines provide thrilling performance, reaching speeds of up to 42 knots. For smooth, effortless cruising, it maintains a comfortable 32 knots, letting you enjoy the water without compromise. The yacht also comes with massive fuel and water tanks, each holding 3,177 US gallons, giving it an impressive range of 1,000 nautical miles, perfect for long journeys or extended coastal adventures. Inside, the Luxolor 42ST is all about luxury. The spacious saloon offers plush seating for everyone, a fully equipped galley for meals on board, and large windows that fill the space with light and provide stunning ocean views. The Mazda RX GT3 is a breathtaking concept car that blends futuristic design with racing DNA. Created in collaboration between Mazda's design team and Polyphony Digital, the makers of the Gran Turismo series, this car is based on the award-winning RX Vision concept, but reimagined for the track. Its sleek body follows Mazda's soul of motion design philosophy, now enhanced with aggressive aerodynamic upgrades like a massive rear wing and sharp front splitter, built to maximize downforce and performance. Beneath the hood lies something truly special, a four-rotor rotary engine, a rare and unique power plant that connects directly to Mazda's rich racing heritage. While official horsepower numbers are not confirmed, the sound alone, reminiscent of Mazda's legendary Le Mans race cars, promises thrilling performance. Every detail of the RX GT3 is designed to deliver an immersive driving experience, from its sculpted curves to its bold racing stance. The Yamaha Motoroid 2 is a futuristic motorcycle concept that completely changes the way we think about riding. Instead of needing a driver, this smart bike can operate on its own using advanced robotics and artificial intelligence. It doesn't just follow preset commands, it actively studies its surroundings, predicts how people or vehicles might move, and makes safe riding choices in real time. One of the most exciting features is its special leaning system that copies the way human riders naturally lean into corners, creating a smoother, safer, and more realistic riding experience. To achieve this, the Motoroid D2 is packed with high-tech sensors, including cameras, radar, and LiDAR, giving it a 360-degree view of the road. This allows it to detect obstacles, recognize traffic lights, and obey road rules just like a skilled human rider. Navi N65 Folding Electric Scooter. The Navi N65 Folding Electric Scooter is a smart and stylish way to move around the city. With its powerful motor, this scooter gives you smooth and steady rides while reaching exciting speeds that make daily commuting fun. It comes with big 10-inch air-filled tires that handle bumps and uneven roads with ease. So whether you're riding on clean pavements or slightly rough paths, you'll enjoy a stable and comfortable journey every time. One of its biggest highlights is its easy folding system. In just a few seconds, you can fold it down and carry it into your office, home, or even store it in tight spaces without hassle. The frame is lightweight yet durable, making it strong enough for daily use while still being convenient to handle. Its long-lasting battery lets you travel farther on a single charge, giving you peace of mind on longer trips. Safety is also a priority, with dual brakes that stop you quickly and bright lights to keep you visible at night. The Navi N65 isn't just a scooter. It's a reliable, eco-friendly travel partner that saves time, beats traffic, and adds a touch of excitement to your everyday rides. Pet Libro Air Feeder, the smarter way to feed your pets. The Pet Libro Air Feeder makes feeding your pets easier, safer, and more reliable. This automatic feeder is specially designed so your pet's food stays safe, even if the feeder gets knocked over. It has a secure lid that protects the control panel, so playful paws can't change the settings. With a 2-liter capacity, it can dispense food up to 6 times a day, ensuring your pet always gets the right amount of meals on time. Power is never a problem with this device. You can plug it into mains electricity or use D batteries that can last up to 180 days, making it super dependable, even during power cuts or when you're away. The basic model costs only $50 and already gives great value, but there are also upgraded versions with extra features. Some advanced models come with built-in cameras so you can check on your pet while you're not home, while others use RFID collars to give each pet personalized feeding. Trusted by experts from HSUS and ASPCA, the Pet Libro Air Feeder is more than just a gadget. It's peace of mind for pet parents. It helps keep your pets healthy, well-fed, and happy every single day. Ringstone Rink Case C1. The Ringstone Rink Case C1 is a one-of-a-kind smartphone case that takes customization to the next level with its built-in color e-ink screen. Designed in Japan, it is the first case in the world to feature a 4C color e-ink display, giving your phone a stylish and futuristic twist. What makes it even cooler is that you don't have to charge it separately. The case uses NFC technology to get both power and data directly from your phone. That means no extra cables, no extra batteries, just a simple and smart design that works seamlessly. The e-ink screen can be used to show wallpapers, notes, or even quick notifications, all while consuming very little energy compared to a normal screen. This makes it both practical and fun, letting you personalize your phone in ways you've never experienced before. Priced at around $79, the Rankstone Rank Case C1 is affordable for the kind of innovation it offers. Whether you love trying out new gadgets, want a unique accessory, or just enjoy having something different, this case is an exciting addition to any smartphone. It's a perfect mix of creativity, technology, and everyday convenience. Stratosfera Volatile. The Stratosfera Volatile is a futuristic electric motorcycle that feels like it has come straight from a sci-fi movie. Its bold design, smooth curves, and striking presence make it stand out instantly, showing how motorcycles of the future could look. Unlike regular bikes, this machine blends advanced technology with artistic style, creating an experience that is both powerful and visually stunning. One of its most eye-catching features is the aerodynamic shape, which makes it appear as if it's flying even while parked. Being fully electric, the Stratosphera Volatile delivers instant acceleration, a smooth ride, and produces no noise or harmful emissions. Its lightweight frame gives riders better control, while the modern suspension system ensures comfort and stability on any road. More than just a vehicle, the Stratosphera Volatile is a vision of innovation. It combines speed, sustainability, and futuristic style into one exciting package. Designed for those who want more than just transportation, it offers the thrill of high performance with the responsibility of eco-friendly technology. Riding this motorcycle is like stepping into the future, where imagination meets reality on two wheels. Stride, the smarter way to run. The Stride running sensor is like having a personal coach attached to your shoes. Unlike regular fitness trackers, it doesn't rely on GPS or smartphones, which means you can use it anywhere, anytime. Just clip it onto your running shoes and it starts measuring everything that matters: your speed, terrain, fatigue, and even the effect of wind. With this information, Stride teaches you to run using power, the same method cyclists use to train smarter and more efficiently. What makes Stride special is its real-time feedback. It helps you understand how hard you're working, when to push, and when to ease off, so you can get the best results without burning out. Whether you're a beginner learning proper pacing or an advanced runner using methods like the Norwegian system, Stride adjusts to your needs. Over time, it helps improve your endurance, efficiency, and recovery, making every run count. The package includes 2 sensors plus a 1-year subscription to the Stride platform, where you can dive deeper into your performance stats. Priced at about $367, it's an investment. But for runners who want to improve with precision and confidence, Stride is a game-changing tool. Swing car. The swing car is one of the most exciting off-road vehicles ever created, built to go places where normal cars, bikes, or ATVs cannot. What makes it so special is its unique suspension system. Each wheel moves independently, allowing it to adapt to any surface with ease. Whether it's climbing steep hills, crossing rocky ground, or rolling over muddy trails, the swing car stays balanced and smooth, giving you complete confidence on every ride. Powered by electricity, it's eco-friendly and runs quietly, so you can enjoy nature without harming the environment. Its spider-like design may look futuristic, but it's extremely practical. The way it tilts and leans naturally with the terrain keeps the driver safe and comfortable, even on tricky paths. Steering is simple and intuitive, almost like riding a bicycle, but with the strength and stability of a 4-wheeled off-road machine. Another amazing feature is accessibility. The swing car has been designed so people with limited mobility can also enjoy outdoor adventures. This makes it more than just a vehicle. It's a freedom machine. With its futuristic design, electric power, and unmatched performance, the swing car turns any off-road trip into a thrilling and unforgettable experience. Tactical jet suit drills. Tactical jet suit drills show how the future of military operations could look, training soldiers to use jet suits effectively in combat. These drills help soldiers quickly put on and operate the suits, reducing vulnerability during deployment. Trainees learn to control the jet suits with precision, flying through complex environments, ascending and descending quickly, and making sharp, accurate turns. The exercises also include weapon training, teaching soldiers to maintain steady aim while flying, practice target acquisition, and shoot accurately in simulated combat situations. Teamwork is another key focus, as soldiers practice coordinated maneuvers to achieve tactical goals like flanking enemies, evacuating injured comrades quickly, or infiltrating heavily defended areas. The jet suits are designed to recharge fast, reaching 80% battery in just 25 minutes, making them practical for short-distance missions. Terraglide. The Terraglide is an innovative ride designed to make travel smooth, fun, and easy across different surfaces. Unlike regular scooters or bikes, it combines modern design with smart engineering to create a vehicle that feels effortless to use. Whether you're riding on busy city streets, through parks, or across slightly rough ground, the Terraglide is built to glide comfortably and keep you moving with style. What makes the Terraglide stand out is its balance and stability. Thanks to smart technology, it gives you a steady ride even when turning quickly or going at higher speeds. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use for longer trips, while the durable frame and wheels are strong enough to handle everyday use. Plus, it folds up easily so you can carry it onto public transport or store it without taking up much space. Powered by an eco-friendly electric motor, the Terraglide offers a quiet and emission-free ride, making it perfect for anyone looking for a greener way to get around. With a reliable battery that charges quickly and lasts long, it's practical for daily commutes or casual rides. Stylish, portable, and fun, the Terraglide is truly a smarter way to travel. Uniesse Exuma HTC 5P. The Uniesse Exuma HTC 5P, launched in 2022, is a 56-foot yacht built for adventurous owners who want both luxury and practicality. Perfect for fishing, diving, cruising, or long trips, it combines style, comfort, and performance. Powered by four 600 horsepower Mercury V12 engines, the yacht cruises at 33 to 40 knots and can reach a top speed of 52 knots, making it fast and thrilling on the water. The aft cockpit is designed for entertaining, featuring comfortable seating, a summer kitchen with induction cooktops, a refrigerator, and an ice maker, all shaded by a retractable awning for relaxation under the sun. The helm offers premium features, including a leather steering wheel and advanced Garmin navigation systems, making control smooth and precise. Below deck, the spacious, bright interior is perfect for longer stays, with a fully equipped galley including a deep sink, refrigerator, convection microwave, and wine cooler. Wuben X0 EDC torch, small but super powerful. The Wuben X0 EDC torch is a compact flashlight that packs a serious punch. Designed for both everyday use and professional needs, this torch delivers a bright beam that can reach up to 125 meters, giving you clear vision in the dark. It offers 7 different modes, including strobe and SOS, which makes it useful not only for outdoor adventures, but also for emergencies and daily tasks at home or work. One of its best features is the long battery life. On moonlight mode, the torch can last an impressive 130 hours on a single charge, so you never have to worry about it dying when you need it most. The 175-degree wide-angle illumination ensures that you get maximum light coverage, which is great for camping, hiking, or working in tight, dark spaces. ZLP Hornet Handlebar Trolley. The ZLP Hornet Handlebar Trolley is an exciting and practical gadget for anyone who loves the thrill of ziplining but also wants to stay safe. It feels like something straight out of the Home Alone movie, where the character used a cable and handlebars to escape, but this version is designed for real-world adventure. Zip lines are all about speed and fun, but stopping safely at the end is just as important, and that's exactly what the Hornet Handlebar Trolley does best. It comes with a reliable braking system that ensures a smooth and controlled stop, giving riders confidence throughout the ride. The braking distance depends on the length of the zip line, usually between 6 to 9 meters, which is carefully calculated to avoid sudden stops or jolts. Built with sturdy materials and an easy-to-use design, this trolley makes ziplining safer and more enjoyable for beginners and experienced riders alike. Whether used in a backyard setup or at a professional course, it adds an extra layer of security without taking away from the fun. Priced at around $115, the ZLP Hornet Handlebar Trolley is a smart choice for anyone who wants to enjoy ziplining with excitement and peace of mind.